Most breakfast meats are super high in sodium. Even if you choose a lower fat option like turkey bacon, turkey sausages, chicken sausages, or even vegan breakfast sausages. Many of my clients believe they're eating a clean breakfast when they have that egg white omelet with the side of fruit in the turkey bacon or that vegetarian bacon, but are so surprised that they're still taking in high levels of sodium from what they thought was a cleaner option. They could not understand why they experience bloat first thing in the morning immediately after breakfast. So I want you to take a look at the nutrition facts found in most bacons and sausages and even the vegan and vegetarian options, so you'll see what you have been consuming and on a regular basis and why you've been experiencing so much bloat. Now I want you to take a look at some of the low sodium turkey bacon options. I know it's not realistic to tell everyone to just take all of your breakfast meat options off of your plate. I know that's not realistic for everyone, but so there are some low sodium turkey bacon options. So take a look at the nutrition facts. If you really want to reduce your sodium intake at breakfast time with your meats, you can also create homemade small mini sausage patties. The recipe is attached below, so download at your leisure.